One way we can really effectively communicate our design for the catapult is to use an exploded assembly drawing. So let's make one of those. So first we're going to have to explode our assembly here, so we'll come over here to the right hand side and click on exploded views and add exploded view, and we can bring this back to give us a little more room. And there's a lot of parts here, so there's a lot of ways we could do this. I'm just going to do one way, so I'm going to click on the base and I'm going to bring it down by, I don't know, maybe 5 inches, minus 5, and we'll put it there. And then our column I'm gonna bring out I don't know, maybe 5 again, minus 5. Usually when I do this I have to use trial and error to make it look the best, so I'll come out 5 there. So I'm just going to show you how I initially did this. So now we have the dowel, so that means that this guy gets in the way. What we can do potentially is bring this guy down a little bit, maybe. Let's go minus 5 there, and then we can bring the dowel out by, that looks about right. And again, I would do this iteratively until I finally had it look right. I don't know if it's going to look great now, so but I'll just do maybe, I don't know, 5 again. That might be too much. And then finally this one here, the cup, we can take that out. Let's try 5. And so this is our assembly. I think this guy, this is not really that great. This guy should probably be out further, but for now I'm just going to leave it like this as so I can illustrate how to do this or remind you how to do that. So if I want to see what it looks like, I can click the exploded views. Yeah, this isn't great, but I'm going to stick with it. And actually, no, I'm not. I dislike it enough such that I'm going to get rid of it. So let's take this one. Yeah, so it's this one right here. So let's delete that exploded part. So I do that. Whoops, not that. I got to double click there. Okay, so I want to take this guy and bring him out a little more, say another 5 inches. Let's try that. Okay, let's try that. All right, so now we can right click, create a drawing of the assembly, and as we place it into the drawing template, we want to choose isometric for the view, and we want to choose exploded, and it's going to be rather big, but it'll take it down for us. So 1:4 scale. Okay, this will do for now. So we'll click there, and let's see. I'm going to go ahead and turn on shaded views. And let's go back and take a look at our bill of materials. So if we click on the BOM table here, you can see that we've got the default, which has quantity, item, part number, description. We don't want part number, so let's remove that column and let's remove the description, but let's add the name. It's okay, so we have those. And now we can go back to the drawing and come up here. Well, we have to update it here with the yellow button. Come over here to the BOM table, and we can come down here, place it in the corner. I guess I want to choose that one and put it right there. And now we want to go up here to the callouts and place these at the edges of the parts. I don't think I am going to do it for the other column because I've already got one there. Oops, forgot this guy. Maybe right there. 6. Do I have all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? I think I do. So this is a way to, I think, effectively communicate your design. Now what I would probably do is I would continue to tweak some of these distances and directions that I explode this by going back to the assembly, because I don't know if this is the best way, but for now I'm going to stop here because I think this is adequate to show you, remind you how to do these. And yeah, this is a exploded assembly drawing of a catapult. Thanks for watching.